What's up, Decker?
Maze. You scared me. What the hell are you doing?
I heard you were back. And I know that you know. You know.
Right. So you just hid in the dark and waited for the creepiest moment ever to say something?
Old habits, I guess. Look, I know you're probably really freaked out, so... Good faith gesture. I'm locked into these. You have nothing to worry about. Look, I need you to know, Chloe, that even though I'm a demon, I would never hurt you.
I know.
Yeah.
Really?
Good.
Good faith, huh?
Oh, you thought you were safe. That's all that matters, right?
Is it?
So where's Trixie? I was hoping to see her too.
Oh, yeah. She's at Dan's. You know, obviously she hasn't seen him for a while, so she's gonna stay with him for a bit.
Oh, yeah, sure. Just swing by and say hi.
I don't think that's a good idea, Maze.
I know it. She's still upset with me, isn't she?
You know, Maze, she is, and I'm sorry. I don't see her getting over it anytime soon.
Yeah.